The words and photos that follow chronicle the evolution of knowledge and practice regarding the education of high school students with disabilities. It is only through the examination of what we used to think and what we now believe that we will ever reach the future possibilities of what can be. We used to think students with disabilities couldn't learn academics in regular high school classes. We now know all students can learn, and that 7 of the most dangerous words in our vocabulary are, "She won't get anything out of it." We used to think alternative lessons were necessary when students with disabilities entered regular classes. We now know all students can learn from the regular curriculum, and being in isn't the same as being with. We used to think students with disabilities could only be taught special things by special people in special places. We now know moving from special to regular takes the ordinary classroom and makes it an extraordinary place for everyone. We used to think students with disabilities couldn't learn functional skills in regular high school classes. We now know functional skills can be taught in regular classes, and students don't have to sacrifice academics or social relationships or full inclusion to learn them. We used to think it was okay to separate students with disabilities from their peers, that they wouldn't miss anything by leaving school in the middle of the day. We now know. Separating students from their peers, even in the name of skill acquisition, is still separating students from their peers. Students learn best together, in and out of school. We used to think being included from 7:30 until 2 was enough, that a full day of classes equaled a full life. We now know. Life doesn't end after the last class bell. We used to think friendships for students with disabilities couldn't happen, that it was too hard, and the only way to get people involved was to pay them. We now know. Friendships can be hard work, but they're worth it. We used to think our job was to help students be realistic about their lives, and that vocational assessments and aptitude tests were all that were needed to help a student plan for the future. We now know nobody has the right to plan somebody else's future, that passions and interests are just as important as skills and abilities. And being realistic often results in shattered dreams. We used to think students with disabilities didn't need to graduate. We now know every student should graduate with a diploma.